Now this is for the case of 4002. So same process. The date should follow that the same. Okay, so this is not good. Why? Because we have a lot of here. Okay, now let's try to check each of these if there are duplicates in here with the other accounts. There. Yeah, looks like this 33 is already cleared here. Airways, and yeah, try to check that is the same account. Yeah, that's the same account, so therefore this is a duplicate on this. So this is already done, captured. So all we need to do is to delete. Okay, for this case, this is not clear. However, when we try to search that, we discover that it's already recorded in the other in the other transaction. So this one, so this is correctly recorded already, it's done. However, this one is already also recorded, but it's not, it's like it's a duplicate. Actually, it's the same account where it is recorded, credit card. So all we need to do is to delete this. So open that and delete that. Okay, because that's a duplicate. Also try to look into this and that. Yeah, and it's the same case. So there it is, the other already recorded and reconciled, this one. And while this I think I told you on this one that before you record, you need to search the transaction and match, but I think you did not follow the instruction and just record on your own. So that's what this is happening now. So this is what we do in correcting. So again, open that and delete. I think it has the same case with the other also, this one and this one. Okay. So again, delete them. Okay. Now, except for, yeah, what about this this case? This is credit card payment, credit card credit, 296. Okay, see, we have 296 in here. So in here, this is cleared in this account 4002, cost of air. This is an expense. This is not, where is it? 296. So this is a credit card expense. Okay, so this is supposedly good, but why we have another expense in here, which is cleared in the bank? Okay, so let's try to get back to 4002 and find that 296. Okay, so we find only 296. So in this case, what you see is that we have 296 that were recorded. Okay, and the other one is reconciled. I think the two are reconciled. This one is reconciled. Okay, and match. And the other one is also reconciled and match. But no, all only match but not reconciled. So Okay, since these are not cleared, the two are not cleared, we can just delete these two, okay, which is this inside here. We delete this. Where is it? Uh, 296. We open that and delete. There must be something wrong with these bank feeds now. So all we need to do is to delete this. And the other 296, there's still another 2 in here. There must be kind to... Oh, why is it appearing in here? It's appearing in the chart of accounts. This one. It's not cleared. Let's try to check this. Yeah. And it's not appearing in that. 5 in this inside. Oh, something's not right. So anyway, so that's how we deal with that. Okay. And this one too, if it is not cleared, although it is much of the bank fees, delete that one. Okay, just delete it, although it is cleared but it's not reconciled. So try to delete that. Okay. Now, if it reappears in the bank transactions, in our bank transactions in here, like we go to 4002. Okay. Now, we know that this 296 is not cleared, so we just ignore that, exclude that as, click this one, exclude that from that, because we have already reconciled this month and they are still appearing in that and they should not be, so we have to click exclude them. Okay, thank you. So you do the same way with the other accounts also, not only with that account 4002. That procedure, please do that on the other account.